Hi, my name is Miss Heidi, and for today's craft we're making pipe cleaner crowns. The supplies you need for this craft are 6 pipe cleaners, 3 colored ones and 3 more sparkly ones. I chose the gold glitter and then the purple for the top of the crown. So first we're going to make the crown, and I measured it to my head. I just put it on my head and kind of folded them together, twisted them together so that it would fit. And so got that, and then I'm going to put the top part on, and that's going to take a little more work here, and we're just going to make like little triangles, but we're going to kind of twist it, and so like that. I'm going to make it a little smaller so it goes further, and just make another one. And if you need to shape it later, that's fine. So I'm going to shape it a little because kind of messed that up there. And then just grab another one, and then you want the triangles to stand up, so kind of move them like that. And then we're going to add to this one, so we're just going to twist to add another one. And you can make the triangles as big as you want. And you don't have to worry about them sticking up till at the end, because it's kind of hard. Okay. Like that. Like that. And we're really just trying to cover the front of it. So I'm actually gonna kind of twist it off here, because you don't need too many. But if you would rather have more, that's fine. And then I'm gonna try to kind of shape it a little better. And this is our pipe cleaner crown. We hope you enjoyed today's craft. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.